I will say, because of some problems after so many days, again today I am going to explain the sums in my channel. So today here onwards without gap continuously videos will come. Okay, right? Today I am going to explaining, I am going to saying for 10th class children, very useful sums, important in public examinations for 2 marks. That is from polynomial chapter, third chapter, from the polynomial chapter in third exercise number 3.3. one of the sums, important sums I am going to explaining from second Roman. From the second Roman I am going to explaining. So what is the second Roman means? Very important in the public examination, 2 marks compulsory, 99% compulsory. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. Here, please children, all of you underline the find the quadratic polynomial. That must be, we have to underline and keep in brain before going to find out the solution of the sum. And also one more important, sum word and product word. These 2 words should be underlined. Product, sum word and product word. That means in the question, sum word and product word there means how to find out the quadratic polynomial. That is the model. Okay. So second Roman, second sum, first of all I am going to explain. Second Roman, second sum. Here in second Roman, second sum, 2 numbers they have to given. One is root 2, another one is 1/3. Here in these 2 numbers, one number is sum of the zeros value, second number is product of zeros value. Okay, that is we can take it. Given that sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to how much given? Root 2. Okay. Next, and also given that product of the zeros, what they have to given? Alpha into beta is equal to 1/3. Okay. So now you see sum of the zeros given, product of the zeros given. So with the help of this information we want to make the polynomial. So if we want to prepare the polynomial for this kind of questions, we have one formula is there. The general form of quadratic polynomial in terms of alpha and beta. That is, we know that P of x is equal x square minus x into alpha plus alpha beta. Okay, when we can apply this formula means whenever we want to prepare the quadratic polynomial, sum of zeros, product of zeros given case, and another condition is there, that model and the another video I will explain. In these 2 models only we can apply this formula. Okay, now this is the general form of quadratic polynomial in terms of alpha and beta. X square minus x into alpha plus beta, how much? Root 2 plus alpha and beta 1/3. Substitute like that, and then here these 2 terms no problem, but last constant term is 1/3. It's a fraction. So in this case what we can do? What we can do means by this denominator multiply the entire polynomial. That is one method. The second method is find the LCM. Find the LCM means here 1 is their denominator, here 1 is their denominator. Any one number that this means denominator 1 only. So 1, 1, 3 LCM 3. Okay na. 3 1 table 3 times 3 into x square 3x square minus 1 3 are 3 3 into x how much? Here 1 by 3 or 3 by 1 we can write means 3 by 1 like that. 3 by 1 LCM by denominator, LCM by denominator, that is the process. So 3 by 1 3 into x square 3x square sign minus 3 by 1 3 into root 2 x, that means 3 root 2 x will get here, 3 into root 2 3 root 2 into x plus 3 by 3 1 1 are 1. Okay, so after that p of x is equal to, here denominator how much is there? 3 is there, so that's why we can write here there is a one more also be there. I did not write that one, please listen. K into also we can write k into. So here also k into, here also k into. So how to remove the k here? How can remove the k means k value depends upon denominator. K value depends upon denominator. Here denominator which number is there, that number you can take it the k value. So put k is equal to 3 into 3x square minus 3 root x plus 1 by 3. Here 3 cancel. Therefore required polynomial p of x is equal to 3x square minus 3 root x plus 1. That is the required quadratic polynomial. With the help of given information, we are getting this kind of quadratic polynomial. Suppose you did not write the k, then what we can do means here 3 is the denominator, by this 3 multiply entire polynomial, then we will get 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 3 will be cancelled, we will get the 1 directly. Here itself we can complete it. 1 or 2 steps will be reduced. If you can take the k, then we can do like this way. Next question is, next we will discuss fifth one. I will explain fifth one next. Given sum of the zeros, given sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4, and given product of the zeros, given product of the zeros, alpha into beta is equal to plus 1 by 4 given. Okay, so as like this model only, but what is the difference between here and there? Here one is irrational number, this is fraction, there both are fractions. First question and third sum, fourth sum, sixth sum, like this model you can complete the remaining sums. Okay, so very easy, remaining sums very easy. Write the formula. We know that general form of quadratic polynomial in terms of alpha beta, that when you can write p of x is equal to k into formula x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equal to k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros minus 1 by 4 plus alpha into beta 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so k into here denominator anyone not there means 1 1 4. So here LCM 1 4 4 LCM is 4 4 by 1 4 4 into x square 4x square. Okay, minus into minus plus 4 by 4 1 1 1s are 1 1 into x will get x only. 4 by 4 1 1 1s are 1 sign here plus again I am telling 4 by 4 1 1 1s are 1. What is the value of k? Already here I told same model. The value of k depends upon denominator. Denominator which number is there? Same number only you can take the k value. So put k is equal to 4. Put k is equal to 4. So 4 into 4x square plus x plus 1 by 4. Here 4 4 cancel. Then what is the required quadratic polynomial? Therefore required quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square plus x plus 1. Okay students, so like this way please practice the remaining sums. So from that you will get the good knowledge in this model. Okay, at the same time you will get the good marks in the public examination, 2 marks. Okay, thank you students. If you can like this video, please like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please share the videos to others and give the support. Thank you.